Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. And in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can prepare your files for printing. So you're going to go to any kind of app that you use, go to file, go to export, and then go to export as, and then you can use PNG or JPEG. I use PNG because it gives a higher quality. Export, and then this will pop up. You're going to select the highest resolution, and then you're going to press OK. If there's another option to make it either RGB or CMYK, you're going to select the CMYK one. I think that's for printing, and screen is RGB if I'm not mistaken. So select that because it shows up the color better than RGB. That's for screens, I think. If I'm not mistaken, it's either the other way around. But that is how you can prepare your files for printing. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!